How to fix connection problem or invalid MMI code. For this, you have to go ahead and open your phone settings. So go ahead and do that. So right here, you have the option of network and internet. So go ahead and tap on it. Then select SIM card and mobile network. Here, go ahead and select the SIM card that you are facing this issue on. Disable the SIM card by simply toggle it off. And after a few seconds, turn it back on by toggling to the right side. Now this should solve your problem. If not, you can head back from here. Check if your mobile data is turned on. If it's on, simply turn it back off by simply toggling it off. Now head back from here and go to your settings. Tap on the search icon at the top and search for SIM Toolkit. So right here, go ahead and select the option. Now force stop the application first and foremost, then head to storage and cache and clear the cache. Once it is done, now on to the next step, press and hold to your power button to restart or reboot your mobile device. Now once you do this, your problem must be solved. If not, even check for your network connection and then turn your airplane mode for 3 seconds and turn it back off and try to reconnect to your network or Wi-Fi connection as well. So go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for watching.